Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Arham Mahmood Abbasi. So today I will share my experience of first semester from UET Lahore with you. I was very much excited to start my journey in UET as a computer science graduate. I was eager to learn programming to see how different applications work. On my first day I was very excited. Different teachers motivated us for a future journey and given a short introduction of computer science. Then as the time passed, in the second week, like every beginner, I have written many C++ programs like Hello World. But the complexity level goes on increasing day by day. We have solved many problems using C++ and as my final project was, I have chosen an airport management system with approximately all the features of an advanced business application. It was challenging at times, but it made me grasp key concepts. We head towards game development. I have made tic-tac-toe and gravity hole as a class assignment. And then the real game development started. With my heart filled with joy and excitement, I started developing Pac-Man as a class project, and as my final project, I made Rover Exit, which in my point of view is good enough knowing these concepts. Instead of game development, I, by using two-dimensional arrays, also solved many real-world problems like car parking lot, matrices calculator, etc. And at the end, we also made some data handling projects using linked lists and structures. At the end, I want to say that the teachers are very cooperative. Literally, when it was the first day in the university, I have no idea that how computer works, but now with the grace of Allah Almighty, I can not only write different programs but also explain that how computer works. No matter how much time it will take to solve a problem, the thing that matters is the confidence. That you have solved the problem by yourself, and Alhamdulillah, I have that confidence. If you want to learn things, then don't get annoyed by errors, because errors are very much important for a programmer. Just give your best and then earn something more than the best. Thank you very much for watching my video.